In this video, I'll show how to fix an unexpected error occurred problem in Instagram login. When try to login show this problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Instagram. Click on app info. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on delete. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar. Search Instagram. Update Instagram app if available on Play Store. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Check internet connection on your phone and go to Instagram. Instagram login problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.